Hello everyone, this is a video to show you how this is a brand new Rolex and it's squeaking bracelet. I don't know if you can hear it, but it has a squeaking bracelet. So I will show you how you can get rid of this squeaking bracelet phenomena of Rolex without having to use extreme measures. This is a Milgauss that's also new, and this is what you should do. All you need is just to get some soap, liquid hand soap, and put some soap on the bracelet. Make sure that the soap goes inside the links and gently move the links around just to make sure that the soap goes inside. Leave it like that for like a couple of minutes. Keep moving it, keep moving the bracelet. Make sure that that the soap is going inside. And then what you really need to do is get some hot water, warm water. This is not boiling water, this is just warm water. And after a couple of minutes of doing this, getting the soap inside, put the watch inside the warm water, in and out a few times, and let it sink a little bit maybe. Don't worry, your Rolex is waterproof, and you will, even if your watch is new, and I've tried this a few times, you will notice that the water will change color. It will become a little bit black, and this is from the lubricants that they use, or whatever I don't know what they do, or maybe polishing or something like that, from the polishing. So anyways, I guess when they polish it or something, some of the metal goes inside between the links, and this is what happens. So when you wash it, you don't need to use any brush or anything, but when you wash it, the washing will take away all the dirt from the polishing, I guess. And then you have to rinse it with regular water really well. And you can do this a few times, or you can take your time while doing it. I'm doing this really quick for the video, but anyways. And just make sure that the water goes in everywhere. This way, it's not using any kind of lubricants that will harm your skin or whatever. And then if you bring some paper towels and gently, so you don't scratch your watch, gently, dry it well, and then your watch will be flawless and without any squeaks. As I said, maybe do it, if it still squeaks, try doing it again. Give it some more time in the warm water, especially. Let it sink inside the warm water for a longer time, and you will feel that your bracelet doesn't squeak anymore.